like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbias Customs. Today I'm going to install a head unit radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a backup camera. I will show you all you need and do it step by step. The vehicle we will be using for this video is a 2001 Sport Trac. This will be similar installation for most vehicles. We already have a backup camera installed. We will just hook it up to the new head unit. The head unit we will be using is a Planet Audio P70 CPA. It's a very good price for all it does. It includes a manual, microphone, harness, and a support bracket. The head unit itself has extra inputs for sound system and input for front and reverse cameras. We will use an adapter to not have to cut any of the factory wires. There's a lot of options of brands for the adapters, but this one I got has different types from the same brand and it's the same price. The first thing we will do is take off the factory head unit. We will remove all of the dash, but you can take off just the head unit with a special tool. Remove the 2 screws from the bottom and pull the dash out. Disconnect all the accessories from the dash. Disconnect the factory harness and the radio antenna. Check which of the adapters fits this vehicle. The factory unit comes with 3 harnesses. We will just be using the main one. The other ones are used to use the factory amplifier and the back seat controls. If you want to use it, you can buy adapters for these too. With the correct adapter, we'll connect both the head unit harness and the adapter using the wire splitter. It's important to read the manual of the unit and the adapter to make sure the wires are the same. Don't worry if you have extra wires. This is for extra accessories and cameras. Once the 2 harnesses are connected, it's good to just give it a quick check that everything's working fine. To get a factory look, we'll have to trim the dash so the new bigger head unit fits in perfectly. Once trimmed, we'll put the support bracket so it stays in its place. It's time to install. First, connect the harness to the factory harness, and we'll leave the other two in the back. Connect the microphone, USB that uses for the CarPlay, and the USB to charge. We'll run these wires through the glove box and put it in the best place that fits us. Connect the radio antenna. Run current to the reverse signal interrupter. That way your reverse camera turns on when you put it in reverse. Connect all the accessories back in its place. Put all the wires nicely in the back and push the plastic dash back in its place. Turn on the vehicle and check the head unit is working properly and also all the accessories. Put in the bottom two screws and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me keep doing videos for you guys. Thank you.